series. So we need to print 100, 90, 80, 70 up to 0. So this is in a decreasing manner, so our common difference will be negative. So if we observe, we will see that our common difference is negative 10, and it's constant for all 100, 90, 80. So it's no scattered data, so a fixed. So we are using there again a for loop, then I equals to 100 as we are starting from 100 up to 0. So I greater than equals to as it is decreasing, and I equals to I minus 10 as we are orienting our looping variable I along with the common difference. So we need to take it in that series pattern, that 100, 90, 80. So system.out.print to print it in the same line, and if we used println, then it will be in the respective lines. And if the question was 100, 90, 80 to n, so where n is the unknown number which you need to accept it from the user, so here we need to use scanner class. So let's see, you may use scanner as import, that this, or otherwise you may use this. So I am using this. Let's compile. Suppose let enter n as minus 20. So 190 up to minus 20.